blow-off valve, so say goodbye to the stu noises. I know, trust me all, I'm gonna miss it just as much as you. So here's one last time for you. Favorite sound in the world. But I let Carmelo drive this car yesterday, and he said that he felt like it was lacking. So I know that this thing is going to be running how it's supposed to. No, the stock turbo is not going to blow up with the blow-off valve disconnected like this, or blocked off, I should say. But it's definitely going to run a lot better, and it's going to be a little bit peppier. So I feel comfortable just putting this thing back together how it was meant to be. We are on our way to Carmelo's, and then we're going to go to Riley's and stuff after that. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, so you guys know I had to stop at Sheetz. We had to. So tonight I got 2 hot dogs on a pretzel bun with cheddar American cheese with boom boom sauce. And then if you guys watch Samit, he opens a coffee in every one of his videos. And I also happen to love coffee. So I got some coffee. Look who it is. We can't see because the light's here, but Carmelo's here to help. There is the broken skyline over there. Carmelo, what happened? Spun a bearing. Oh man. All right, we are on our way to O'Reilly's. All right, so if you guys are not familiar with RBs, the blow-off valve is right here, and then the hose. Oh, it's gonna work.
Maybe.
I think. The hose, we're just gonna route around this way, and then wherever it connects down here, whatever that's called on the intake, that's where it connects. And then this was the cap blocking the thing on the intake, which was broken. So boost leak there, and then this was on its way out. But I'm gonna try to route this with Carmelo and see what we can do. So y'all can see this big ass heater hose that we have going from the blow-off valve to the intake down there. It's kinking a little bit in the corner, and so we put zip ties on it to prevent it from kinking, or try anyways. But he's tightening down that hose, or the hose clamp I should say, and then we're gonna go rip. So I forgot what I was saying in the last clip, but we got it all connected, and the zip ties are on it. This is a temporary fix, but we're gonna start up and see what it does. I'm hoping, you guys saw that cap was loose. I'm hoping that that surging issue I was having was because of the boost leak, and then the computer compensating for it. But we're gonna go out and try it. All right, go ahead, hit it again. Oh, blow-off valve connected.
Hell yeah.
So,
See how it works.
yeah, we're gonna go. Well, Carmelo's driving, and he told me he wouldn't beat on it, but we'll see how long that lasts. We're getting like half blow-off valve and half surge. So, what do you think?
I feel like it's because of the little kink.
The bend? Is it more responsive?
Slight bit.
A little bit?
Oh, your lights on.
Yeah.
Definitely feeling better.
So, yeah, I didn't get it on video, of course, and I can if I want to, but I don't know. So, previously it was breaking up at like 4,000 to 5,000, and Carmelo just got on it, and it didn't break up or misfire at all. So fingers crossed that that boost leak is what the issue was. Pop. So you want to do it again? I know he wants to do it again. He misses his.
Hold a second. Get it ready.
Yeah, hold on. That's healthy.
That's great.
That's as healthy as can be.
That's a whole lot
I'll
better.
throw in a clip right now of what it was before. And that was screeching tires and all wheel.
Yep.
Chirp, chirp. So, yeah, that's awesome. I'm going to do a little drive-by for you guys here. I'm probably gonna have to include other stuff in this video because this didn't take long at all. But I'm gonna do a couple drive-bys for y'all. So here you go. It feels so nice to have this thing running correctly, and now I can justify buying wheels and bags and all the fun stuff that I want to do to it. So yeah, again, big thank you to Carmelo for helping me out tonight, and then shout out to O'Reilly's as well. We just took a second sheets run. Well, I guess it's my second, but we're about to flex on the cookout. We just broke all their necks, but yeah, I don't know if I'll end up adding more stuff into this video or not. I think that's all I had to say, so see you later. All right, well, listen, we're on the way back to Holly Springs, and it's like 11:02, so I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so I'm just hanging out here at Eagles waiting for Carmelo, and there's an Impala next to me, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the taillights look exactly like an R33. See if I can. Y'all see that? Y'all see that R33 over there? That's so funny to me. But we're waiting for Carmelo, and I'll tell y'all a little bit more when he gets here. Carmelo is here, and to be honest with you guys, he just forgot his phone, so this is gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in the next one.